Hello, welcome to Jasmine Jessii Gardening. Hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the jade plant. Jade plant meaning, benefits, types, and maintains and tips. Let's go. Jade plants are easy to maintain and recommended by Vastu. They are believed to attract luck and positivity into a home. Check to all about the jade plant, growing tips, maintenance, and types. Welcome to the Jasmine Jessii. The new age housemaker are transforming their home into lush green paradise for an escape amidst the concrete walls of the cities. The jade plant, as well as other types of indoor plant, have slowly emerged as popular options among buyers who are looking for low maintenance indoor plant. Jade plant, a popular indoor plant. Jade plant, also known by the name of lucky plant, the jade plant is a succulent plant with thick leaves and stems. Moreover, they are about 3 or 8 feet tall and belong to the crassula family. The jade plant belongs to South Africa and survives well in mild climate condition. It stores water in its oval-shaped leaves, thick stem and roots. In fact, you can use the leaves or stem of the jade plant of propagation. There are several jade plant benefits that make it a well preferred indoor plant. Jade plant information. The scientific name of plant is crassula ovata. Several characters such as the money plant, money tree, and lucky plant often known the plant. The plant is a native to Eastern Europe and KwaZulu Natal from South Africa and Mozambique. Jade plant, watering it. When taking care of your jade plant, always water it right. Don't overwater the jade plant as it causes root rot. However, drying it out completely is not a good idea. So one should just water the jade plant when the soil of the product becomes dry. Jade plant temperature maintenance. It's a good idea to maintain the temperature of the jade plant while caring for them. The plant is advised to work best at the temperature between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius during the daytime. However, during the night, the best temperature is between 10 to 13 degrees Celsius in the Fahrenheit. The jade plant can survive at 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Jade plant benefits. The jade plant is not only a visually appealing plant but also comes with various benefits that make it a one of a kind plant. Some of the jade plant benefits are listed below. Purifies indoor air. Like other indoor plants, the jade plant is known to help improve air quality. You can purify the indoor air by ensuring that your house is appropriately ventilated and placing the jade plant in different rooms. Your home can end up collecting toxin and pollutions inside. And one of the biggest jade plant benefits includes its ability to clean the air. So you can use the air purifying indoor plant and live a healthier life. Low maintenance. One of the jade plant benefits is that it's known to low maintenance, making it the perfect choice for those homemaker who might not have enough time to look after plants. As it doesn't require your utmost attention, you can easily maintain this jade plant by following some simple tips and tricks, including avoiding overwatering and offering enough sunlight. Absorbed carbon dioxide. Do you know that the jade plant can absorb carbon oxide at night? Not only does it make the indoor air better, but it also helps you to enjoy a good night's sleep. That's why keeping your jade plant in the bedroom is beneficial. In fact, the jade plant follow crassulation, acid metabolism (CAM), which makes this plant open its small pores at night, allowing it to absorb carbon dioxide. Medical medical properties. Among various jade plant benefits, medical um, properties are the most unusual. In some regions, the jade plant is used to treat wounds. Moreover, the jade plant can help deal with the issues such as indigestions and diarrhea. It is also used to deal with warts. Jade plant types. There are over 40 types of jade plants in the world. Below, we are mentioning some of the most popular types. Common jade. The most common type of jade plant is called crassula vata. It was one of the earliest discovered type and is among the most popular indoor plant. Not only is it easy to maintain, but it is also one of the fastest growing indoor plant. During spring, small purely white flowers can also bloom on the jade plant, enhancing its beauty. Number 2, bluebird jade. Bluebird jade, also known as crassula vata bluebird, is another popular type of jade plant with thick branches. It is commonly used house and blooms during the early spring. Moreover, you can witness pink and white flowers blooming on the plant during this period, and they are ideally kept in pots to allow them to mature to their fall height. Golem. Golem is also known by its botanical name Crassula vata golem and has thick stem and hardy leaves. It has gotten the term golem from the movie Lord of the Rings. It has pipe-like leaves with a red tint on the edge. Under the right conditions, golem can also have small pink flowers during the summer. Number 4, silver dollar jade. The silver dollar plant, also known as crassula abscens, Abortions belongs to the jade family and has blue greenish leaves with the red tint on the edge. With thick stem and egg-shaped leaves, this silver dollar jade can grow up to 4 feet tall. Moreover, under the right condition, you can notice white and pink flowers blooming on the plant during the pleasant month of spring or summer. Harbor light as botanical name Crassula vata. Harbor light, this succulent plant has thick leaves. Moreover, its leaves can be used for propagation. It has a natural pH level and requires very little water to grow. Moreover, the best time to grow this plant is from March to June. Ladyfinger jade and next hobbit. Pink jade. That's it. How to get rid of black spots on jade plant? There could be various reasons why jade plant develop black spot all over them. Once your plant develops such a condition, increase the ventilation in the room where the plant is kept and water only when the soil is dry. Also, you can use antifungal spray. How to take care of jade plant in Pakistan and India and another countries. One of the biggest jade plant benefits is its easy maintenance. While each jade plant require different level of care and treatment in order to bloom fully, there are some simple steps you can follow to ensure that your jade plant keep gracing different parts of your home. Jade plant need full sun to grow and bloom. To check if your jade plant has been getting enough sunlight, just check the edge of the leaves. If there is a red tint on the edge, then it means that the jade plant has been growing with enough sunlight. You can fertilize the jade plant every 6 months. Avoid fertilizing them during the winter, as the plants is usually dormant at that time. Make sure that the soil you use gets easily drained. If your jade plant retains excess water, then it can lead to fungal issues. How to propagate jade plant at home? Following are the 3 ways to propagate jade plants at home. A jade plant can be propagated at any time of the year. However, to grow it faster, propagates in springs or summer. For a couple of days, keep the stem of the jade plant in a warm and brighter area for the stem to dry out. Once a sulcus is formed, fill a smart pot with the draining mix. Then keep the leaf on top of the potting mix. Water the pot thoroughly, drain it, and then water it again. To propagate the jade plant in water, you must put the cutting in a container full of water. After a few weeks, once the roots are formed, you can put the cutting in the soil. Jade plant meaning. The jade plant is often associated with good luck. That's why it is also known as fortune plant, lucky plant, or money tree. It's a known bring good energy as well as attract wealth as well. The jade plant has become a popular gift in recent years, especially during housewarming parties and special occasions. If your loved one is starting a new business, then you can gift a jade plant to them. Not to mention, the jade plant looks stunning in house and office and lift the overall ambience. Jade plant benefits you emotionally, therefore you must have it home. How to display the jade plant? A jade plant in a white pot on the windowsill. Jade plant can be kept in several places at your house: study area, kitchen, bedroom, dining area, living room. Common issues with indoor jade plant. Jade plant owners often highlighted the common issues contributing to their plant downfall. While taking care of the jade plant, it is very important to take note of the common issues arise. Issues with jade plant, causes or cure. Underwatering, overwatering, poor draining, mushy leaves, shiver leaves. Water when you notice the soil is dry, especially number one, shavered leaves, underwater or overwatering. Water when you notice the soil is dry, especially when the jade plant is placed in a sunny spot. Mushy leaves, poor draining. Refrain from watering if the top half of the soil is moist. Give the plant time to absorb the exciting water. Leaf drop, moisture, stress, lack of sunlight, temperature drop. Check of watering, place in a spot with sunlight, maintain 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Lack of new growth, lack of space to grow. If your jade plant has slow growth, try repotting it in the bigger container. Stretched or leggy stem, placing the jade plant in low light area. Shift your jade plant to an area where it gets a sufficient natural light. How and when to apply fertilizer on jade plant. A jade plant does not require fertilizer too frequently once it is grown. However, you must feed it with balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 4 weeks when it grows to ignore nutrients imbalance, avoid over fertilizer. Choosing a healthy jade plant benefits your home. Bringing in a jade plant to your home is not an easy task because you need to be careful that you are bringing in the correct plant to your home. This is especially important for beginner when it comes to nurturing a plant. Also, choosing a healthy jade plant benefits your home by detecting positive energies. The stem of the jade plant you are choosing should be strong and thick. The second thing you must check before buying the plant in the strength of the leaves. Tap them and ensure they don't fall down easily. Check if the roots of the jade plant are fine. That should not be any bugs in the jade plant. The plants is better off in dry condition, so ensure to avoid any roots rot. Fungicide for jade plant. According to fungicide for the jade plant, the character associated with it include the direction of the jade plant, the element associated with it and its chi or the energy source. The direction of jade plants is southwest as per fungicide. In addition, the elements that jade is associated with is earth. Jade is known to have a lot of influence on the lives people around it. The plant is known associated with stability, prosperity, abundance and grounding. Plant brings stability is on life it also. Companion plant for jade plant. The jade plant is type of succulent that is the best paired with low growing and more sunlight plant. The plant is best paired with succulent that require less water. Placement of jade plants, jade plant toxicity to pets. Keeping a jade plant at home is known to purify the indoor air of the home. However, jade plant toxic toward pets and children can be a problem. Thus, it is often advised that one should place the jade plant at location that difficult for your pets and children to reach. If someone in your home come into contact with the jade plant, they tend to display signs such as vomiting, seeking, irritation both in kids and adults. Whereas irritation in kids is severe, in adults it is mostly mild. Bottom line, jade plant. So are you all set? Get a jade plant for your home. Jade plant benefits are many, as you have read. Uh, Many have you learned in this video, and it certainly adds to your home decor. To show which type of jade plant are you going to get, let you know in the comment section below. Hope so you like this video, so show your like and dislikes on my video. Kindly join us and like, subscribe us. Thanks for watching.